If you're a small or medium-sized manufacturer, you have big plans and big ambitions. ECI Manufacturing ERP solutions are designed to make big futures a reality. We've been helping manufacturers become bigger, better, and more profitable for 35 years. Our range of flexible, all-in-one cloud-based ERP solutions takes the complexity out of technology, makes it an engine for growth, and delivers complete flexibility, visibility, and control from quote to cash. Looking for fully integrated, scalable cloud ERP that does everything you need it to? You got it. We make it easy to manage your entire operation in a single solution, with integrated third-party apps seamlessly extending your capabilities and supporting growth. Want your ERP to be flexible enough to deal with production changes? We've got you covered. Our solutions fit the way your shop works, so it's easy to manage last-minute changes in process, make changes on the fly, and maximize your profit on every job. Want 100% control over business operations, including job scheduling? No sweat. We give you the power to automate key business processes, improving accuracy and efficiency. Win more business with faster, more accurate job quoting. And with end-to-end job scheduling built in, you effortlessly stay in control of inventory, material availability, and labor costs to complete jobs on time, deliver on schedule, and improve cash flow. Dream of full insight and visibility into your business? It's all right here. Drill down dashboards and customize reports. Deliver an up-to-the-second overview of your business. Analyze profitability by job and/or by customer. Identify and deal with shop floor issues before they become a problem. ECI Manufacturing ERP solutions are made for manufacturers who think big. Contact us today to learn more.